We're told that AC equals 2. BD, where is BD? BD is here. BD is 1. And DC is 1. Okay. So we know this has to be 1 since AC is 2. And because we have these legs are the same lengths, you've got a isosceles triangle, that means this angle equals this angle, but that really doesn't come into play. I just want to point that out. We're trying to find the measure of angle ABD, so we're trying to figure out that angle right there. But we know this side is 1 and this side is 1. That tells me I have a isosceles triangle. That tells me that this angle must equal this angle. I know the sum of the degrees in a triangle is 180, and we know that ADB is 120. So 180 minus 120 is 60. That means you've got 60 degrees left in this triangle. And so that means this one must be 30 and this one must be 30. So 30 is your answer.